Good day, Miss Delilah. How are you today?
I'm fine, madam.
Please introduce yourself.
Good day, madam, sir. I'm Delilah D. Iju, 24 years old. I am a single mother with one kid. I have two sisters. My father is a carpenter and my mother is a housewife. I am a high school graduate. I have worked as a domestic helper in Jordan for 1 year since 2012 until 2013. My major duties are child care, age 3 years old.
Can you tell us your daily activities in taking care of children?
Sir, madam, my daily activities in taking care of children are I have to prepare meals for them and send them to school, play with them and read a story for them. I love children very much.
Aside for taking care of children, what are your other duties from your previous employer?
My other previous duties from my previous employers are cleaning, cooking, washing, and car washing.
Do you know the responsibilities of being domestic helper?
Yes, sir, madam. The responsibilities of being a domestic helper are honest, long patient, and hardworking.
Why do you want to work in Hong Kong?
Sir, madam, I want to work in Hong Kong to earn money for my family.
Do you have any last message for your future employer?
Yes, sir, madam. Please choose me to work for you, and I do promise to serve you and to finish my 2 years contract.
Thank you very much. And after listening in Hong Kong, before we end, can you show your best smile?